There were mixed emotions as Tumuratonga, Keri Milne-Ihimaera, was welcomed to Te Awamutu. A busload of Moerewa tamariki, kaumātua and kuia, escorted the former Northland principal of Moerewa School to her Powhiri at Te Puna mā Tauranga.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be here, and I think my role as a principal previously helps me to remain absolutely focused on what it is that we do for students in the wānanga, and how we can do more of the successful things that I'm sure we already do, and then look to what are the areas that perhaps are challenges for us and how can we improve those.
Keri was thrown into the national media spotlight in 2012 when she stood up to the Minister of Education and questioned the justification for closing down their senior classrooms and claimed the process was unfair.
I've been the principal at that school for 10 years, so it's sad to say goodbye. But the community of Moerewa has farewelled me so graciously, and it's been wonderful to be a part of a number of farewell occasions, and so I feel that it's a good time for the school to have some fresh eyes and someone new to sit in that tūmaki seat.
Te Tauira Jim Mather says he's excited Keri's finally on board and acknowledges the wealth of skills she brings to the wānanga.
Keri has an unusual sense of focus and commitment to her Tauira. We saw that the year before last when she found herself in a difficult situation with the government at that time. Rather than just accept the ruling of the government, she put forward a very strong case as to why they were making changes at Moerewa School. I thought that was very courageous on her part, and we here at Te Wānanga Aotearoa expect to be challenged and expect to have robust debate about all issues, particularly those that can be beneficial to our students.
Te Anga Nathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.